I rate their coffee, the ambience, a 9 out of 10. Dito na tayo sa Moway. So, I'm expecting maraming tao kasi maraming runners. Pero wala, konti lang naman. Yun, pwede tayo magstay dun sa alfresco area nila.
Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little body, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this life, too sexy for that jack.
We are done having coffee sa Mowai Cafe. So, we will gonna rate the shop. I rate their coffee, the ambience, a 9 out of 10. So, I recommend you na i-visit nyo yung place nila. Maganda and hindi masyadong crowded. Enjoy nyo yung place. Hindi ko lang na-try doon sa alfresco area nila kasi meron nang naka-seat doon. Pero maganda, malakas yung aircon nila. So, nakapag-chill ako, nakapagbasa ako ng journal ko, and calming, nakapag-recharge ako. Then next stop naman natin dito sa Dear Carlito. So, we will buy siguro non-coffee muna tayo. Then we'll check dun sa Charlotte Folk na pop-up event nila, parang flash sale, sample sale nila. Tara!